explaining how to use the BYOM function for eShare. The BYOM function is a new feature added in firmware version 1.3 or later. This icon, added at the bottom, is the setting for BYOM. After tapping this icon, the settings screen for BYOM appears like this. If you would like to enable BYOM, turn this toggle on. When you enable the BYOM feature, your laptop can recognize peripheral devices, such as a microphone and camera connected to the IWB. You will then be able to use these devices wirelessly from your laptop. Specifically, when wirelessly connecting a laptop to an IWB, it already supports wireless projection onto a large IWB screen and audio output to the built-in speaker. However, by enabling BYOM, you can also use the microphone and camera connected to the IWB at the same time. This enables high-quality web meetings. In the settings, you can choose to use only the microphone or the camera. Additionally, when multiple devices are connected, you can select the desired device. That completes the settings on the IWB. You also need to enable the BYOM feature for eShare from your laptop. First, open the eShare client app. Please install the latest version of the app. The connection method is explained in another video, so we will not go into detail here. This icon, which appears after connecting, is the BYOM activation button. When enabled, your laptop will recognize the camera and microphone on the IWB and connect to them. The share screen function allows you to share your screen on the IWB and output audio from the speaker. However, if you enable BYOM in this state, web meetings will also be possible. Now, let's try enabling BYOM and using share screen. In this state, the screen can be projected wirelessly. Additionally, the microphone and camera connected to the IWB will be recognized and used as devices. As a test, I will try launching a web meeting app on my laptop. When I join a meeting, it will start, but my microphone and camera will be connected to the device I selected on my laptop last time. In addition to enabling BYOM in advance, if the microphone or camera connected to the IWB is not selected, you will need to select it in the settings of the web meeting app. Here is how to select a device. For the camera, select eShare Virtual Camera, which has been newly added as an option. For the microphone, select eShare Audio, which has also been newly added as an option. This is not limited to BYOM. When using share screen, please also select eShare Audio as the speaker. If you select all of these options, your laptop will be able to recognize and use the IWB and all connected devices, including the display, speaker, microphone, and camera. Please note that if you do not enable BYOM, the camera and microphone connected to the IWB will not be recognized. Now, let's try using the BYOM feature to hold a web meeting. In this state, I am participating in the meeting from my laptop. The screen is projected wirelessly, and the camera and microphone are not from the laptop. They are recognized and used as devices connected to the IWB.